Hello everybody and welcome to this new live trading session of Future Now. My name is Pedro Mejias. Today is May 11 and you can see on the screen the disclaimer I'm about to read. So let's go. The following video clips demonstrations are for educational and instructional purpose only. TRADDICTIV provide these videos purely for the purpose of demonstrating the method of using the product. User understand that all the content used in the video is purely for demonstration purposes only, and is not a guide and does not provide any indication or prediction of actual result. As a user, you understand and agree that hypothetical results obtained through the demonstration do not indicate in any way the result you may receive on using our products. Alright, so as always, there's my email on the screen. It's pedro@tradictive.com. You can, if you're watching the recording, you can send me an email anytime you have any question about the presentation. You can see it there. And if you are here live, it would be nice if you use the chat to interact with me during the session. As you know, this is a multicast session, so we'll be dividing the session in two. Once the first half hours has ended, we're gonna stop broadcasting on YouTube, and we're gonna be only on the tradewithufos.com website. Okay, so if you are not already there, you should go and register to continue to watching the rest of the session. Okay. All right. So as always, the first thing I do when beginning my trading session is to take a look at my bias. What my bias I'm gonna take today? Is I'm gonna buy or gonna sell? You haven't seen any of my previous session, you should know that I only trade the euro future. Okay. So the first thing I would like to do is to take a look and see where's the euro heading compared to the rest of the currencies. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart. Just 1 second. Okay, here we can see the interbank forex rate, which will give me an idea of what is the strongest currency right now, and in compare with the euro, of course. So I can see that during the this day, the euro is actually stronger than most of the currencies. Okay, the only one that I see that is not that strong is against the yen, and you can also see the volatility, right, and the trend that is heading. So this is the FX3 website, rate and chart. You can look it up if you like to compare the information you may have, with the euro. Just to take a look, to have an idea where our bias is gonna be today, right? All right, let's take a look at the euro chart. Here is the in TradingView. You can see the euro future right now. We can also take a look. This is a 5-minute chart, and we can take a look at where the UFOs is. You can see it's here below under this area. So as you can see, it's been an uptrend during most of the day. And according to what we saw on the rates, it's actually pretty much the same. It's been an uptrend, been stronger against the other currency. So we might just go, and our buy is going to be a buy today. Okay, we're going to be on the buying side. So let's go to my trading chart. Just give me a second. I'm going to change it from here. Here, this looks better. All right, here we can see the euro once again, the same we're looking at in TradingView, but this time we're looking at the clusters. With the cluster, you are able to see inside the candle what's actually being traded, or exactly is being traded inside each candle. Right, this is unique to an order flow software. Let's go to candles just for to have a better picture, so you can understand what we're looking at. All right, we look at exactly the same as we saw with the TradingView app. I'm just gonna switch back so you can see it. Okay, it's the same chart. Of course, it's a 5-minute against a tick chart, and that's why you see a little different there. Okay, so what we like to do now is trying to find an entry area. Okay, for we can place our trade. All right, so to do that, I like to see where has been rotation on the chart. And let me check my other charts here. All right, so I can see where we should be entering our trade. There's a very interesting candle at 837, which is this one right here. You can see, let me highlight this for you. All right, highlight this area. So we can see here in this highlighted area how the price, rotate inside this area, then it break up very strongly. You can see here a big trade pushing the price up, and then once it got back here, right, you can see exactly how the price was rejected again. Okay, so our entry should be around this area, right? So let's go back to the clusters, because I like to see what's been traded, right? Instead of just looking at bars. Doesn't tell really much. Right, here we are. This is where we were, and I would like to see the volume that was traded inside this area. Okay, and my target here will be looking for a nice spot to trade. Right, I like this one because it looks like the volume was thinner in this area, so price might go back here, to fill up this area and go back up again. And if we go to the current time, you can see where it is. It's very nearby. What I don't like is the fact that the price is actually coming down from the VWAP, right, which is a volume average. That might be signaling a trend change, all right? But this seems to be a very nice area here. So I'm gonna put my first trade right here. I'm gonna buy the euro. I'm gonna put 3 contracts. You can put as much contracts as you wish, depending on your risk parameters. Okay. I have set an auto target system, which will allow me to get out very fast of the trade once we get open. As my stop loss should be right below this highlighted area here. You can see a lot of liquidity on the right side, 152 contracts here, 158 here. So this should hold the price for a while we are on the trade. Okay, so we are almost in. Just one tick. Well, just for one tick it didn't open. Let's see if go back again. Once again. It tried, but just one tick away from our entry. Let's see if we can get inside this trade finally. Let's see while we wait. Remember, if you have any question, can send me a message on the chat or email. Okay, we're now in the trade. You can see our exit right here, which is perfect because it's below the liquidity that is about our entry. Right, our stop loss is always behind this area, so we're fine by the moment. Let's see if we can get out quickly. We have a lot of selling activity here on this area, so it's gonna be not so easy for the price to go above this area right here. Okay, so that's why we keep it short. All right, let's see what happened. In 5 minutes, we're gonna stop broadcasting from YouTube. We're gonna start only broadcasting on our website, Trade with UFO. We're about to exit our trade successfully. All right, the first two contracts are out. We only have one contract left, and it's gone too. So the first trade we made today has been successful completely using the order flow system. Remember, if you want to have access to any of these tools, all you have to do is send an email, right, to Pedro at TRADDICTIV.com. You can see on the screen, it's right on the right side of the screen, where you can see my email address. And you can send me there any question, right? Anything you would like to ask, and also if you would like to get access to the software, just send me an email there. I will be happy to answer you. And if you're here live, remember, you have any question, you're welcome to use the chat, right? The chat features we have here. And all right, let's see for a second chance. Let's see where we can enter the next trade. But before that, we're going to switch from YouTube to only broadcast on TradewView website. Okay, so just give me a minute. The YouTube session will be ended right now, and we will continue privately on tradewithufos.com.